Making forecasts using multiple linear regression. Part 3. In our last lesson, we created the multiple regression analysis results. We will now use these results to predict the revenue for weeks 13 to 19. To make this easier to follow, we can use colors in the Excel sheet. For example, we can color the intercept green, the Facebook coefficient and Facebook data blue, and the Google coefficient and Google data orange. Using these colors, the forecasting formula becomes easier to visualize. The formula is the green value, plus blue multiplied by blue, plus orange multiplied by orange. Let's go through it one more time, but this time we will use the proper terms as well. The formula is the intercept, plus Facebook coefficient multiplied by Facebook spend, plus Google coefficient multiplied by Google spend. Although we can use autofill for the rest of the values, let's do it one more time to practice a bit. Green value, plus the blue value multiplied by the blue data, plus the orange value multiplied by the orange data. As we mentioned earlier, to avoid calculating each row one by one, we can use the autofill feature. Before dragging the formula down, we need to use dollar signs to lock the cells that contain the coefficients. This ensures that when we copy the formula, Excel always refers to the same coefficient values. Now, look at weeks 18 and 19. In both cases, the total advertising spend is the same, that is €5,300. However, in week 18, more money is spent on Facebook ads, while in week 19, more money is spent on Google ads. Notice how the predicted revenue is different, even though the total spend is the same. This shows that how the money is allocated between advertising channels matters, not just how much is spent in total. Showing this information to management will help demonstrate that allocating more budget to Facebook advertising is likely to result in higher revenue. Finally, remember an important limitation. This model is based on past data. It is useful as a guide, especially for planning and comparing scenarios, but it is not a guarantee. Real businesses can be affected by seasonality, promotions, competitor activity, and many other factors that are not included in the model. However, multiple linear regression is a very powerful and useful tool because it turns historical data into an evidence-based forecast that supports business decision-making.